Never. Pussy so well.
I decided to cut my hair because I'm just so tired of it, to be honest. Like, and also I don't wear it out, and it's just uneven, and like, I mean, I wear a wig anyway, so I'm ready to cut it.
And you gonna let me cut it?
Yeah, but I'm just like, even if I don't like it, I can wear a wig, y'all. Like, it's not that big of a deal.
And that takes the pressure off me. All right, we're just gonna get into this.
He still better not mess up, y'all. Good.
How does it feel?
Feels great, actually. I can just feel it just. And the more you cut, I'm just like, yeah, just cut that shit.
I'm gonna.
Probably cutting my hair with the wrong scissors.
I mean, I'm about to shave it all off. It doesn't matter. It's the only scissors we got right now. Unless, of course, you want me to use your fabric scissors, which I think is not a great idea.
Yeah, so y'all, I just washed my hair. It feels so surreal, like, probably just like, wow, I just cut my hair. But it's something I've been talking about for a long time, like, taking my dreads out was something I talked about for a long time, and now it's just like, you know what? I'm just gonna do it. So y'all, today I decided to cut my hair. I know, like, drastic change, but I feel better and I look good, So I'm on my way to my friend Nina's house. I was supposed to be at her house like maybe 2 hours ago. I was supposed to go to dinner, and now because of this this situation where I cut my hair, I am late. So I'm gonna go, and then maybe we might go out. But then after that, I have to go to my friend's Marina house because I have a video shoot tomorrow at 8 a.m. And it's currently like 8-ish here, and it's like, you still ain't ready? You're not gonna be able to do all of this before like the morning. So yeah. And also I'm like happy because my hair is like sure, it's easier for me to put my wig on. Like, I can just go to sleep. I can just go to sleep carefree. Well, no, I'm gonna still wear my do-rag. But anyway, I don't know. I just feel better. Like, I feel more confident. I'm like, you can see my face. Like, you're not cute.
Sissy so well. You literally wait. You don't like it?
No, I love it. Look at me. You getting some?
We're gonna start with some rice noodles.
Okay, let's get it. We already got the soy sauce. We gotta get some vegetables. What we putting up in here?
This is the vegetable that we will use.
Oh, green wasabi. I've been looking for these chips, right? Not these ones. I love these ones. I'm addicted to these ones. But they have, when I was in Netto one time, they had one that was like sour cream and black pepper.
And it was good.
And it was so fucking good.
I don't see.
I've never seen it since. I've never seen it since. So if anybody out there sees this brand of chips and onion,
Smoky
black
bacon
pepper,
sounds kinda good.
I don't eat pork.
All right.
You know what I mean? I don't eat pork.
Right.